distance has to be from here to here 3 inches. So that'll work. So this will be in line with this. Okay, today I'm going to solder these fittings. The tools needed to do some soldering on my wall-mounted faucet is you need is this nitro flux. I guess it's better than there's a non-nitro, but this flux does better. And so you need that. You need your soldering wire. You need your parts. You got a little brush to put the flux on with. You need a torch. You need the torch. And this one's got a striker on it, so I don't need that. And I need to take the sandpaper and rough the surfaces up, so that's what I'm going to do now. And like I said, to it adhere better if with the you clean all the surfaces off, all the spottings and stuff that are on these, if there is any, you got to clean that off. And always when you're heating your pipe up, you want to make sure that you heat from the bottom up, because heat rises. If you try to do it from the top, it will just gather up here and it'll cool off down at the bottom, so when it goes down around there it won't seal. So you got to make sure that you heat from the bottom of your project. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and rough these surfaces up. Take the sandpaper and just rough everything up, make sure that it's got a good clean surface. Here is make it a nice clean surface. So I'll do the same with this side over here. Fittings. Rough it up. This is brass, and I think those are copper fittings, so I'm going to go copper to brass. And I got to make sure that everything is clean, and I got to do the inside of the brass or the copper. Just going to roll this up so it fits inside of that, so I can get a good surface. This is a fitting that goes inside the side of here. So you rough it up so that the solder will adhere better. You want to put flux in here. There, that looks pretty good. Got that one. All right. Okay, I'm going to put the flux on around here. And we'll do this one first. Put some flux on there. Make sure it's enough. We'll heat this one up first and solder it. Put enough on the fitting here too. In here. And then after you're done, you wipe off excess flux because it'll corrode your pipes over the long run if you don't. Okay. Now, I'm just going to put this on here. Turn the heat on and heat it from the bottom. Let the solder grip on you. Looks like I got it plenty hot, that's for sure. Now wait 2 minutes and then clean that off. Looks like it went all the way around. I don't know. That's hot. I wonder if that... I don't know if it's all the way down in there. Okay, we'll do this one a little different. Put the flux on. Oh, jeez. Ow! That's hot. Want to make sure got a good connection on it. Now, anyway, that's what I did that for, so I can put these connections on here. Wow. Okay, the reason you let it cool down for a couple of minutes is so there's no cracks, because it might just cool too fast and it would crack. So that's what I'm doing here. Then I'll clean this up and that'll be the end of the video. Clean it up with this flux and wipe off the excess flux. Alright guys, hope I didn't do anything bad here, but that's what you do when you get doing it yourself. I think I got enough solder on there. What do you think? Yeah, I think I got enough solder on there to I think Joe's gonna think that's funny. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Say you love me. Say you like me. Comment. Subscribe. And YouTube doesn't recognize any videos for anybody unless the algorithms are right, and that's subscribing, thumbs up, comment.
If you don't like it, kiss my butt.
Yeah, if you don't like it, don't say anything to me about it.
Well, let me tell you a little something about me. When it's Saturday night, I need to blow off some steam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I've been holding it in since o'clock in Monday morning. From the end of the week, I'm about to blow. Breeze walking through the honky tonk like a pack of wolves now. Order up a round of shots and it's away we go. It's a throw down, get down. Order up another round of shots. Gonna get drunk, get some, have fun. Get into some trouble, baby, like in a night. I'm a Jim Beam, drinking big, singing la 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 line, dancing machine. Been a hell of a week and I need to blow off some steam. Look at those. Blow up. I got to blow off some steam for blow up. I've been holding it in through the whole work week. Now it's Saturday night and I'm about to blow. So come on now, man, if you play me none of them slow songs. I need boots, shooting, barn burning, hell raising, get up and go songs. But give me something hot, just give me all you got. Now let's give old Luke Miller a try. Go ahead. I got to blow off some steam for blow up. I got to blow off some steam for blow up. I got to blow off some steam for blow up. I've been holding it in through the whole work week. Now it's Saturday night and I'm about to blow.